Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin right now by preparing the phone. Charge it above 20% and confirm you know your Wi-Fi passwords and screen lock PIN. Once done, unlock the device and go to Settings, then General Management. From there, tap Reset Options. This is where the network reset is located. You're doing this to clear misconfigured cellular and Wi-Fi profiles, which often fixes connectivity glitches. Make sure to pause if you cannot recall any account credentials, because you'll need them after the reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings and read the list of items that will be removed: saved Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth pairings, and mobile data settings. Press Reset Settings, then authenticate with your PIN or password when prompted. This confirms you own the device. The phone will apply changes and restart its network services without wiping personal files. Don't power off or remove the SIM during this step. This exact flow clears corrupt profiles and forces the device to reacquire fresh carrier. Finish by reconnecting to your Wi-Fi and repairing Bluetooth accessories, then verify mobile data and calls. If you see no signal, toggle airplane mode off and on, wait 10 seconds, then restart the phone. This forces a fresh network registration. If problems persist, try a different SIM to rule out carrier issues, or contact your carrier for APN settings and provisioning. One key troubleshooting tip: if you recently installed a VPN or carrier profile, remove it before retesting because it can block proper reconnection.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.